Hey guys, welcome to our Fast Tip Reading Tip series. Let's get right into our first tip of the day. Would you like to read What Will the Weather Be Like Today or Bugs, Bugs, Bugs?
What is the weather?
Which one?
What is the weather?
What will the weather be like today? Okay. The first reading fast tip is allow your child to choose the book. Why? Because when your children, especially young children, when they choose the book that they want to read, they're more likely to stay captivated and engaged. So take note. You notice my older child, who's almost 3, he used his words to tell me, and he touched the book. He said, "What will the weather?" And he didn't say the full title, but he did choose it by verbalizing. So take a look at how our baby chose his book. He is currently 9 months, about to be 10 months. Jaden, what book would you like to read? Bugs, 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 or the Croaky Pokey?
This one.
Oh, it's baby Jaden's turn. Jaden, which one do you want to read?
This one.
Baby Jaden, which one? You want to read Bugs, Bugs, Bugs? Okay, Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. So you will notice the difference. My younger baby, who's 9 months, about to be 10 months, he chose his book by touching. But you might have a smaller infant. A smaller infant would choose the book by maybe staring at that particular book longer than the other book. And again, they too may touch, may even laugh, may even giggle, but those are just some quick ways that you can tell that your child is choosing the book that they want to read. Another quick difference is my older child, he stayed engaged throughout the whole story of his book, What Will the Weather Be Like Today? But when it was time to read Bugs, 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 he did not stay as engaged. And that just means that he's just not that interested in that book. And that's okay. You can bookmark it for later, still read to the other children. And if you're in a classroom setting, this can be difficult. So you might have to supplement with fidget toys. You might just have to incorporate movement in the story and other things. But we have other quick tips coming soon. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed today's content. Stay tuned as we continue to do fast tip reading tips, and always remember that even if your children run around like my toddler's doing right now, go ahead and put a bookmark in the book and you can definitely read that book later. And even if it's a couple of pages at a time, everything you read counts and is helping your child's little brain go bigger and bigger and bigger. I'll see you again next time, guys. Bye.